Hey everybody, welcome back. Good to see you. Hopefully everybody's enjoying a nice little crash in Roadblocks. Look at that. They came out with earnings, and I guess it wasn't looking too good. You know what's so funny? We traded Roadblocks a while back. I don't know if you guys remember it. Does anyone even know what this company does? I mean, I know because my son used to play with the damn thing. It was like some toy, whatever. But this stock was all the way up to $137. And it was a really good short. I mean, I'm like, $137 for Roblox? Are you serious? I mean, well, now it looks like it's coming to somewhat of a major support levels. You can see it right here. We'll talk about that $25 price range. We'll also check out on level 4, which is what we always do here. We always want to follow where the money is, and that's what we're going to keep an eye on. So RBLX is going on the watch list. But before we go on and start to going on and cover what's moving this morning, there are a couple other good stocks that are moving, and we're going to look at those. But I want to talk about what happened yesterday, because yesterday we had a pretty decent day. We had a couple of good little stocks. I want to start off with Trip. Trip was just a great short, and then we had a really nice, good dead cat bounce. You could see how it popped right here from 116 up to $18. It was a good short. It was easy to read at the open. And you could see right here, we saw this crash right here. So it was shortable. You could have got the nice little short at the open. Program trading kicked in. We saw the orders pop up there, dropped all the way down here to 16. That was a nice little move. And then you could see it, and it obviously didn't make a higher low, started making a lower high, then a higher high. And then, you know what? If you missed it on a short, you could have got it on the long. That one did pretty well. REBN was also a very nice little stock right here. Cheap little stock, nice little move early in the morning, 9:30 move, went all the way up to about 450, almost up about 100%. Really nice trade. CLSK is making a nice pop again. This stock has just been absolutely fabulous. Josh I think he's a professional trading this stock, because I mean he trades it often. And it's nice because when you trade a stock very often, you know the trading pattern. What was nice about this stock, you could see on a long-term chart, has a lot of support at 15. It got down to that 15 early in the morning, and then bam, thing went up to 1660, all the way up to where we finished commentary up until 10:30 in the morning. Nice little move, CLSK. Great higher highs. Everything's great. She popped again this morning. All right. Hold on, I just got to change something here. Oops. I just want to look at something over here. Okay, there we go. And I had the wrong station on. I was trying to follow the news in the background. I couldn't hear it. Because remember, the news, following the news on what's on TV, always sometimes you hear something and it will spike some type of, to me, it's more advertising to make that market move. So anyway, that one's looking like it's pretty moving pretty well. What else did we trade yesterday? I did pretty well too. We had CLSK. Oh, Tiva was another one that was really nice. Pharmaceutical stock, $14 up to about 15. And then Mullen was also very nice move. And you know, it's funny. We had a long talk about this stock yesterday. I'm like, what is making this stock move? And it's just amazing. But you know, I was looking at him like, is it a swing trade? And we're like, I'm watching around 10:30. Thing didn't really back off. It went from 60 up to $8. This stock, you know, with all the stock splits, I keep joking around about it. But this thing was up at $400,000, and it wasn't really 400,000. It was all the stock splits. And listen, an EV company, I would keep an eye on it. Remember, I talked about it yesterday about doing a swing trade on it. I don't know. Maybe they came out with something. I know we checked the news on it. Was nothing really out there, but that one obviously is doing pretty well. All right, let's talk about some stocks that are moving this morning. So let me just fix something over here and add some stocks on my watch list over here. So we have this stock right here, CPOP. which is moving up pretty nice. And just want to delete some stocks here on my level 4 so I can add these and make some room. CPOP. So, and we have Roblox too, right? RBLX. So this stock is moving up really nice right around 7 o'clock. Some of you remember we traded the stock back in February. It was at $1. It ran up to about $9, about 900%. It was not only a good day trade, it was a pretty good day, pretty good swing trade also. I just noticed that a big buyer here at 9 a.m. that was holding it down at 325 just got filled. So that one's looking that's looking pretty nicely. I'll show it to you right here so you guys can see it. See that little red line right there? That guy got done. So that's a pretty good sign. Pretty strong indication stock to take out the big boys. Somebody's interested in buying it. The Roblox trade, Roblox has got a lot of support levels that's building up right here. You can see with all the bad news that came out on earnings announcements, it is making a little bit of a bounce. Long-term chart, you can see it's got the support levels right around this 25. Already started making a little bit of a move. It's up about $3 in pre-market. Orders are out there showing their hands. You could see them right there. Look at those orange lines right there. 28, 27. I'm not seeing any sellers. But let me tell you, the seller at 29.30 did get filled. So that one is looking pretty good also. Let's go see if we can find anything else out here. Here's a very inexpensive stock. Just made a little bit of an early move. I know some of you guys jumped on this early. The ones who logged in early in our cyber group room, TAOP. TAOP. Want to bring that up right here and see what we got. So TAOP, we got a lot of orders right here, just starting to push it down. I probably would not. I'll put this on the B list. TAOP. I'm not crazy about the watch list. I'm looking on that stock right there. The stock's got terrible volume. This one has really good volume, good movement in morning. Stock was a very expensive stock. Like I said, I am a huge fan of bottom fishing, which, by the way, fluke season did open up. Summer flower did open up, and I got to get my boat in the water. But that's not the bottom fishing I'm talking about. I'm talking about stocks that get really beat up and they run the bottom. They try to make a comeback. So that's what we talk about when we say bottom fishing. That's a lingo we use in trading. But this stock right here, not too crazy about the orders. There is a big order that showed up at 390. You see it right here. He just showed up around 9 a.m. I don't know what the hell that means because that's about $1 out of the way. Dollar is a lot. Where's 390? 390 is right here. It doesn't make any sense. I'll put it on the B list. IVP. All right. It is up 32%. This one's got no volume. This got no volume. This got no volume. This got no volume. No volume. Terrible chart. Good swing trade. All right, we're at 10%. We're going to scrap that out. Let's go check on the losers. What we got over here. This one's taking a big hit, breaking all-time lows. That's not a good sign. We can't short it. Don't think we can get a dead cat bounce. Pharmaceutical stocks, they don't come back. You know, it is all from experience. This stock, we know why it's going up. We had fun with this stock a couple of days ago. We ran from $1 to 6. Typical. Always show up on a big losers list. They always do. All right. New York Stock Exchange, AGS. What's up? 26%. Gotta see what the orders are. We got the orders over here. Orders not looking too good. There's a couple of buyers right now about 11:15, which is right around here. Put this on the list. I mean, we don't have a big list. AGS. What else we got here? 19%. Not really like Yeti. Wow. Haven't seen that stock in a while. Can't believe that stock is still doing pretty decent. SLQT, good swing trade, but not really good day trade. Yeah, these are all kind of flat. We know about Roblox already. This is another one taking a very big hit. That one's taking a big hit. And that pretty much does it. That pretty much does it. Anything over here on the volume leaders? This one we already know about. This one we already know about. This one we know about. The CPOP is looking great. It's looking pretty good, that CPOP. That big buyer got done. So nice little push right there on that stock. All right. Chuck is saying a couple of the stocks out there. Chuck is saying in a cyber group room, we'll take one at a time. MULN, Mullen, you know what? Listen, it's on the watch list, so we'll keep an eye on that, Chuck. Lawrence, uh, Michael got Hood. Let's go check out Hood. So Hood, I would put Hood on a watch list. Did they have earnings? Is that why? I think they had earnings, right? Yeah, they had earnings yesterday. Like that's what I thought. Yeah, we'll put Hood on a list. You've been trading, it's been doing pretty fun. Just remember, we've been trading it. You know how it trades. Hopefully, you've been doing your journals, all you gold students. We talk about how to manage and monitor your orders. So, very important that you do that. Listen, it's a pretty decent list. Look right there. All right. We'll put this on our watch list. You could get it on, if you're watching on social media, you can get it on X, you can get it on Instagram, you get it on Twitter, on TikTok, all of it, but we'll share it on there. And then obviously being in a cyber group room, we're gonna have it on alert service. So if you subscribe to our alert service, it'll be on there. All right. So a couple last minute things before we go. Today is open house. We are going to have Top Gun Options is going to be on at 11 a.m. So today's going to be a very educational day. On the top left-hand corner, you see that little QR code. If you're logged in on social media, on YouTube, just take your phone, scan it. We'll get you in today's event. That's going to be, and then I'm going to piggyback, and we're going to talk about how to trade stocks by following orders using options. So it's going to be a fun event. I'm looking forward to having him here again. So the Wiz has been a great contributor, a great American too, pilot, and he's a great trader, a market maker. And we have a great response of having him on. He's going to be coming back on here at CTU. So looking forward to having him on. Remember, 11 a.m. So make sure you register. Your day is not over. If you're going to miss it, don't worry about it. You can always we'll give you the recording of it. You can always watch it back on our YouTube channel. All right, guys. All right, let's get ready for the market open up. Don't forget to register for the event. We'll start commentary when the market opens up at 9:30. You got 15 minutes. Go fill up your coffee. Let's get ready for the last hour. And let's go. Let's call it Power Hour. The Power Hour is going to start at 9:30. So let's get ready for it. All right, guys. Good luck. Get ready. And Josh and I will be back and start commentary. Everyone on social media, we'll see you back here at 11 o'clock. Okay. Or you can click on that link and you can join our room. See you all there. Happy trading, everybody.